In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new service on Fresha in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're expanding your offerings or just getting started with Fresha, this guide will walk you through the entire process, from logging into your account to saving your brand new service. It's easier than you might think, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Fresha for Business. Simply type in or click on this link: https://www.fresha.com/for-business to get started. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on Login and then select for Business to ensure you're accessing the correct portal for managing your services. The next step is to sign in using your Google account. It streamlines the process by connecting your existing Google credentials, which means one less password to remember. Click on Sign in using Google, and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll just need to select it. Otherwise, you may need to enter your login details. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll want to head over to the catalog. You can find this by visiting https://partners.fresha.com/freshaa/online-booking/locations. This part of the Fresha platform is where all the magic happens regarding your service offerings. Upon reaching the catalog section, your next move is to click on the service menu. This menu is crucial because it's where you'll see all the services you currently offer and where you can add new ones. Ready to introduce a new service to your clients? Great. Look for the Add button. It's usually prominently displayed to make adding new services as easy as possible. Once you click it, you're on your way to defining what new offerings your clients can look forward to. Now let's get into the details of your new service. Start by filling up the service name. This name will be visible to your clients, so make sure it's clear, descriptive, and aligns with the overall branding of your business. After you've nailed down a perfect name, move on to adding a description. This is your chance to really sell the service, describe what it entails, the benefits, and why your clients need it in their lives. Be as detailed as necessary to give your clients a complete picture of what to expect. Next up, it's time to talk about money, setting your price. This step should be carefully considered, taking into account your costs, the market rate for similar services, and of course, what your clients are willing to pay. Remember, pricing can greatly influence a client's decision to book, so make it fair, but also profitable for your business. The final step, click on Save. It might seem like a small action, but hitting that save button is the moment your new service officially goes live. It's now part of your offering to the world, or at least to your clientele, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated the Fresha platform to add a new service, which means you're ready to attract more clients and give your existing ones more reasons to keep coming back. Be sure to review all the information you've entered before saving, as errors or typos can impact your professionalism and ultimately your bookings. As you've seen today, Fresha makes it straightforward for business owners like you to manage services among many other features. It's about more than just adding new services. It's about growing your business and adapting to what your clients need and want. So take advantage of this powerful tool and don't be afraid to experiment with new services that could set your business apart. Remember, the beauty industry is always evolving, and so should your service offerings. Keep an eye on trends, listen to your clients, and use Fresha not just to manage your services, but as a tool to innovate and excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Until next time, keep growing, keep innovating, and keep making your clients look and feel their absolute best.